Hello all, my name is Ketan Mevara. I am a data science intern at yoshop.com. Today in this particular video, I would like to share my project which I did during this internship. And I did many projects in this internship, so I would like to share one of the best project which I did, and I got a best summer of the intern award in this internship. So let's go and hope you will enjoy. Before starting a project, you should know about the project. So the problem is many resume comes to the company and extract data from resume like email and phone numbers one by one. So this is a time wasting moment. So the company wants to make such an automation software that can extract all the data from all the resumes at once and save it in Excel file. I hope you understand the problem. So let's go ahead. First of all, you need to import all the necessary library. Import OS means operating system. Globe is a part of operating system. Pandas, PDF miner, regular expression, docs.txt. And then I will create a empty list, email empty list and number empty list, which all the data stored is in this list. And then I take a input from user. Simply enter your path, take the input from user. This is a regular expression of phone number and this is a regular expression of email. So using this, we can extract easily email and phone number from resume because resume have lots of data, different types of data. So our goal is extract the email and phone number from the resume. So using this regular expression, we extract easily email and phone number from the resume. After that, I created a for loop and iterate.pdf extension resume and extract text from that file. So, and store in text x variable. So, extract text is a function of that PDF miner library. So, here. And then I find email and phone number from that text using the regular expression function find all. Find all a function is a regular expression. I import the library here. Uh, Find all function email extract according to this regular expression and phone number extract according to this regular expression. After extracting email and phone, we simply email append in email list and number append in number list. We already find variable here. After extracting email and phone, we simply email append in email list and number append in number list. We already find variable here. I created a same for loop here. Above for loop is .pdf extension data resume extractor and here is document data resume extractor. Here docx to txt process is a function of doc to txt library, so I input here. After that, I simply call find all from regular expression and extract email and phone number and store in this variable and I will simply append in email list and phone number list. And then I join .pdf data and .document data in one list and then simply I print is here. And then I create a data frame, number and email. In number, store all the numbers and in email store all the emails and after that simply I save in Excel resume data.excel. Excel is the extension of our code is completed. So now I simply run the code. So enter your path. So simply you put your path where your all the resume is stored. I go to the my path. My path is here. Copy the path. So here is a 10 resume. Okay, 1 2 10. Okay, so here is a two document format 1 and 2. I go to the here and paste it my path, simple enter it and extract all the data, email and phone number and save in Excel is the same location. I go to the same location here, and here you can see here resume data Excel file is created. I simply open it, and you can see here all the phone numbers and all the emails are extracted. You can see here 0 to 9. Okay. Our final stage is create a automation software that can run anywhere without installing Python in your system. So let's go. Go to the command prompt. I use Anaconda. So Anaconda prompt. So first of all, you install the Python library is called PyInstaller. PyInstaller is a library. It helps to create exe file. So simply command pip install PyInstaller. Pip install PyInstaller. Already installed this library. After that, go to the Python file location. So file location. There is my Python file location. Copy the path. This is my location of Python file. Now I create a exe file. So run one more command. So that is PyInstaller one file is your Python file name. Okay. The extractor dot py. Simply enter it. Your exe file is automatically created a same location.